Hey guys, today I will show you how to get Worm Pelt in Monster Hunter World. Worm Pelt is a low-rank monster material and it only comes from a small monster, the Kelby. You get Worm Pelt from carves and quest rewards with a 60% drop rate, so it is very easy to farm once you know where to look. Kelby can be found in multiple areas, but the fastest place to farm them is the first area in a Wildspire Waste where they spawn in groups and respawn quickly. The best method is to go on an expedition. Hunt Kelbys, carve them, then wait for them to respawn or move between fields like this. And that's how to get Worm Pelt in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.